Where are you from?
I am from Poland.
Poland. Okay.
Yes. During the session, I felt guided
Okay.
by your doctor, and I
And-
feel now loose, bigger, like my arms
Yeah.
are longer. Dhanyavad, dhanyavad.
Wow.
Oh, that's it.
That the spine is disaligned. But just realigned.
Yeah, the more cracks, the better, no?
Yeah.
That's good. Keep cracking, doctor.
More cracks better in the sense of you're getting
Aligned.
aligned.
Yes.
And if you're not having cracks, that will be aligned before also.
Ah, okay, okay,
Right?
okay.
Turn around. When I said exhale, after that,
Don't release from the okay. Very good. Good. Just feel your legs. Stay straight. Move little bit forward.
little more. Good. Lie down. My back. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Put it over here. Very good. Relax completely. Once more. Inhale. Exhale. Very good.